What's up guys, today we're diving into the world of SEO and unlocking the top 5 secret ways to boost your website's search engine rankings. So grab your keywords and let's get started. Tip number 1, optimize your meta tags. Meta tags are like little messages to search engines telling them what your website is all about. Make sure to use relevant and targeted keywords in your title tags and meta descriptions. This will help search engines understand what your website is offering and increase your chances of ranking higher in search results. Tip number 2, create killer content. Let's face it guys, content is king in the world of SEO. Engaging, informative, and well-structured content can do wonders for your website's rankings. Make sure to create high-quality content that provides value to your audience and includes relevant keywords naturally. Don't forget to regularly update and add fresh content to keep your website relevant and authoritative. Tip number 3, build a strong backlink profile. Backlinks are like votes of confidence for your website. The more authoritative websites link to your content, the more search engines trust your website's credibility. So focus on building a diverse and high-quality backlink profile by reaching out to industry influencers, guest posting on reputable websites, and create share-worthy content that others naturally want to link to. Tip number 4, optimize your website's speed and mobile friendliness. In today's fast-paced world, speed is everything. A slow-loading website can frustrate users and negatively impact your SEO. Make sure to optimize your website's loading speed by compressing images, minifying code, and leveraging browser caching. Also ensure that your website is mobile friendly and responsive as mobile usage continues to soar. Tip number 5, leverage social media for SEO. Social media and SEO go hand in hand. By leveraging social media platforms, you can drive traffic to your website, engage with your audience, and increase your website's visibility. Make sure to share your content on social media, engage with your followers, and encourage social sharing to boost your website's SEO. And folks, there you have it, 5 sneaky yet powerful ways to boost your website's SEO and conquer the search engine battlefield. Remember, implementing these strategies may take time and effort, but the results will be well worth it. Keep optimizing and keep winning. Until next time, happy SEOing.